Alright, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. I already know got to work already, people. We don't have to ask nobody nothing, and nobody not have to tell you nothing, because you already know how J Progress doing thing. So without further ado, make we mix up the gravy, take the meat off of the bone, and get straight to work, my people. Me see Andrew Holness D Montego Bay. Jamaica good old Prime Minister, bro God. The Prime Minister with them say change Jamaica. First and foremost, as a disclaimer, J Progress hate politics. Me no like nothing about politics. Me no like no party. Me no like no politician. Me no have nothing to do with politics. You hear me I say? Hence, the reason why I don't do many content in relation to politics or any political topic for that matter. That is the reason, because I don't like politics, right? Andrew Holness D MOBAY. And I make the people them know say I go fix up the market them across Jamaica and one if something, but guess what? In the background you could hear a lot of people and make noise and utter say, Andrew Holness we want this, Andrew Holness we are suffer, Andrew Holness this, that, Andrew Holness I only when election time me see you know. Right? But me tell you something now, people, and I want to listen me good. Me a young youth. And from me a little youth, me tell myself say me no voting thing. From me a little youth in a school, me no like politics. Because from me a little youth I come me see things. Some things when me left from me barn, them are the same way. The road them still bad. The place still run down. This no improvement for all of the X amount of year me dey on earth here. You hear me I say? People, bear in mind. You get a doctor who go to the university and train and get educated or to do their job as a doctor. You have an engineer who go to the university, get him education and how to do his job as an engineer. You have politicians who go to the university, right, get educated and how to do their job as a politician. Bearing in mind, people, politics covers society behavior. It covers reaction. It covers economics. It covers psychology to an extent. It covers so many things, right? So all politicians know how the regular people them think already. Especially uneducated people. Especially ghetto people. Especially people who come from Backabush. The people them who give the politician most of them power. You hear me I say? Politician now go like a man like J Progress. Because guess what? Me's a man where pre certain thing and we come say certain thing. And we hit them with some hard question and put them on the spot. So them now go like me. Politicians are going to be favor of persons who don't take notes of trend. Don't take notes of pattern. And one of these patterns are, even though people know, them know it. Them see it every day, every year, every election time. Things only start up when election come. If you don't see your MP for the whole 4 years, guarantee that when election near, you're going to see your MP. If the Prime Minister never visit your parish for the entire 4 years, guarantee that close to election when a campaign time, you will see your Prime Minister for even that one time. Right? Politicians know people think. Politicians know people react. Politicians know them country. Politicians know them society. Politicians know how much to give you to make you want more. And politicians know how much to take away from you. That when you start ball them up in a spot where you're reliant upon them. Politicians are very intelligent people because that's why they go to the university to study. They know what they are doing. Politicians know that they have to win over the public vote. Right? But politicians also have a lot of tricks and trades up them sleeve. The very thing where you complain about, bad road, this and that. Politicians know that a road won't last. Politician come and throw down some mall and put little Baba Green on the top. The politician must say by 3-4 years the road mash up again. You go ball for the same thing and he will give back the same promise again and repeat back the process all over again. It's like a fisherman who pass your yard every day. You did it as a woman, but you have a big son who can go see with this fisherman. The fisherman want little catches from you. Every morning him pass him offer you and your family fish. You're reliant upon him because so you get it and you not have to pay for it. Next thing you know, the fisherman that dig the mother, right? The fisherman never yet tell the son say come and see with me teach you how to fish. Because guess what? The fisherman knows say if him do that, him and the mother probably lose all of that energy there. Because the mother now go rely upon him no more because him have him son. We can go see now and can fish come a yard. So any foolish the man there keep up, him can run him away. Same thing with politics. Politicians tell us what we want to hear and give us as much as they want to give so that we want more. Right? If a politician don't have the support of the regular people, then can't win them seat. This is why politicians build garrison. Because when you build a garrison, you have people who always is looking for a way out and is looking for any available opportunity. So when I build myself a garrison and pack up the garrison and extend the garrison perimeter so far and so wide, right, that me can accommodate 20,000 people, I am in control of a place with people who are looking for opportunity. People who I will just roll up in that garrison with a group, with a pack of envelope and hand it out, and I am their gods, I am their king. And also too, I will put somebody in charge of that garrison to keep it that way so that I forever be a strong man for that garrison. Right? Politicians are like ghetto youth who are survive and who are make money. Them hate you. You hear me I say? Anytime you in that garrison with them create and I find a way out, or you start make money and remain in that garrison there, right? And you are help people in the garrison and people start look at you as a strong man and a source of support. If you not depend on the politician side who create that environment, he might get rid of you. You're a gunman, you're a murderer, you're a damn police are come kill you. You have to run away. You hear me I say? So, we as the people who vote them in know. So when Andrew Holness God MOBAY and go on and people say Ray and this and that and we are suffer and price gone up. We know everything already, but guess what? When election time come, you will see them. They'll come and tell you what you want to hear because one thing for sure and one thing for certain, a politician knows exactly what the country wants. You know hear me say? A politician knows exactly what the country wants. But a politician also know that if I give you exactly what the country wants, then there is going to be no loyalty. That vote can always sway. Because if you want good road, I give you a good road, we are going to last 20 years. I give you water, I give you light, I develop your community. Right? The least little mistake me make, you probably go with the next party because guess what? The next party now have that burden if you come fix road, give you light, give you water and develop the community. So you have the option of switching at any time because you already have what you want. Politicians keep the country wanting so that they can control the vote. The vote so that they can control the power. Because remember, any party in a power have the upper hand. Any party in a power have the upper hand. And it's like any other time. Every politician have some stronghold in these places where they can use to influence the rest of the place. That's why you have Dan, area leader, caretaker, counselor, and all these kind of people. But guess what? The whole of them are the same. You cannot, and you will not, and you will never ever see a fair politician. Never ever in the history of the world you will ever see that nowhere across the globe. Because guess what? How can a politician be fair when a politician will do anything at all to win his seat? When you hear me say, anything where you can think of, a politician will do it to win his seat and put his party in power. So how can a person like that be fair? If they tell lie, if they thief, if they kill, if they do fraud, anything at all a politician will do to keep his power and keep his party in power. Because his party in power is the main reason why he went into politics. Because when your party is in power, then you get all of the benefits where politics offer. And at that you ain't got a university if I go spend up your much money and pay off your student loan and all these things in the first place. So people, when me see someone who die-hearted, who know this and who know that, me just know say in myself say, how a little country Jamaica, how it go better? How can you have die-hearted? How you go die-hearted when you are dead for hungry and suffer? But because of your party in power, you see all of me are dead for hungry and me suffer, me still vote them back in. Because me die-hearted. You don't know look for change, you don't know vote for change, you don't know vote for prospect, you don't know vote for prosperity. Eh? First and foremost, Andrew Holness did say we are going to sleep with the door open. How was that even possible in a Jamaica? You don't tell me that. But yet still, the die-hearted and the idiot them believe, even though they know it wasn't possible. Andrew Holness is not the problem. JLP is not the problem. PNP is not the problem. It's politicians overall. If a JLP in a power, the same thing will be like it is now. If a PNP in a power, the same thing will be as it is now. But everybody just want for them little time. Because when you get for your time in a power and your party in a power, you make your money. You see me? So everybody want them time. So nobody not tell me about JLP, nobody not tell me about PNP, you not tell me about politicians, you not tell me about politics. Because the whole of them are the same thing. Because that's where they go to school go learn. JLP no go to school go learn different type of politics from PNP politics. The whole of them go to university go learn politics. Political science, and that them go to university for. So the whole of them learn the same thing. The only difference is when they leave university, for propelling them career, them choose a party of their liking, where them are going to work with, where them are going to exercise them political skill in. It is that simple. So nobody not tell me a JLP mash up a country, a PNP mash up a country, a Andrew Holness mash up a country, a portion this mash up. None of them. The whole of them are politicians. This is their job. To manipulate the people. To lead in a certain way where them control the people. Remember, you know, anything what them do is always in the interest of the politician, you know. For example, look at the pay rise where every MP and everybody get. Did they just give it to JLP who is now in power? Or they gave it to all politicians? That's what it is about. It is politics. No one party mash up Jamaica. It is politics and a whole will mash up Jamaica. And remember one thing as me telling you this. All political parties are the same. All politicians are the same. Because this is what they go to the university to study. And this is what they come out and exercise. My people, listen to me. When you go over to my channel, because you know me go to work already. When you tell a friend, when you tell a family member, when you tell everybody, subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 10K. And we want to get to 10K by March of this year, my people. And we know we can do it. Yeah, man. Me certain we can do it.